Welcome to Roadfly TV, your latest automotive fix from roadfly.com.
Welcome to Roadfly TV. I'm Jessie Lang, and today we are at Langtree Vineyards in Napa Valley, California. Not only are we in a very cool place, we're taking a look at a very cool car. It's the 2011 Cadillac CTS Coupe, and I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about it. As for the exterior, up until about this point, it's the same as the CTS sedan. At the windshield, however, you've got a much more aggressive slant going on, which gives it a much more sportier feel. You've got big slab sides and taillights that were inspired by Cadillac's original tail fins, and then you also have a spoiler here that doubles as a third brake light. It's got really unique exhaust tips that continue the chevron theme, and it gives the whole back end a really distinct style. Up front here, you've got two great big functional brake ducts, which direct cold air onto the brakes and aid in braking efficiency. One of the features I really like is that they've got this electronic touchpad instead of the conventional door handle. Where you're really going to notice it is on the inside. No more days of pulling the levers. Instead, you just press the button. In the trunk, you've got 10.5 cubic feet of space, which might not sound like a lot, but you can definitely fit a couple of bags of golf clubs back here. And you also have 60/40 split rear seats in case you want some more room. Under the hood, you've got a 3.6-liter direct injection V6 that produces 304 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. We had a chance to learn more about what's driving Cadillac's current design from GM's Global Chief Engineer, David Leone. Dave, the CTS Coupe has a really unique and energetic exterior. What was the inspiration behind the styling?
Our designers wanted to take the CTS sedan and transform it into the most luxurious, emotional coupe that we could. And so they took the design and we made it slicker, faster, wider. We laid the windshield down 2 degrees, we lowered the roof 2 inches, we shortened the rear overhang 2 inches, and we widened the track. And in doing so, it allows us to make the vehicle more responsive, more engaging from a driving standpoint. The vehicle's quicker, it handles with more authority, and it's just an outstanding driving vehicle.
Now right now we're just outside of Napa Valley, and the roads don't get much windier than this, but the CTS has been handling itself very well all day. Steering is precise, and you get a whole lot of positive feedback through the steering wheel. The engine responsiveness is satisfying. I've really been pushing it out here on some of these straightaways, and it has delivered everything I've asked for. Regardless of where you live, the car can probably handle the climate and the terrain. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but you can also get all-wheel drive as an option. One thing that I really appreciate about the CTS is that you can get it with a 6-speed automatic transmission or in a 6-speed manual. It seems like a lot of car makers have stopped offering manual models, which breaks my heart because I love stick shift. So I'm glad that we've got that option. Now our car's got the FE3 package, which bumps your wheel and tire package up from 18s to 19s. So we've got 275s on 19s on the rear and 245s on 19s in the front. The center stack design is very nice. It's got a kind of cockpit sportsy feel, which is further aided by this new angle on the windshield. It's now 62.3 degrees. Just gives it a real good sports car vibe. There are a lot of options you can add on to the CTS, and our test car has all of them. You can get the sunroof, which it only opens accordion style. It doesn't open up all the way, but that's because it's a coupe and there's really nowhere for it to go. But still, it's kind of nice to have, if for nothing else than to let the light in. It's a nice feature. Also, you can get a navigation system. You can get a 40 gig hard drive with iPod integration, Bluetooth connectivity, a 10-speaker Bose system. Now an 8-speaker Bose system comes standard, which isn't bad. You can also get the keyless access, remote startup, a rear view camera, which you do need, I would say, because the C-pillars, they obstruct your view quite significantly out the back. So I think that the rear view camera is a must. 2011s come with an even better warranty. You can get a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. And also you get standard scheduled maintenance for free. Now the base model starts at just under $39,000, and if you want to add all-wheel drive to that, you can get it for just under $41,000. As for fuel economy, regardless of whether you have all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, you're going to get 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway, which isn't bad. Cadillac has always been synonymous with luxury, but the 2011 CTS Coupe, with its enhanced performance and gorgeous styling, gives sports coupe buyers an exciting new option to consider. That's all today for Roadfly TV. I'm Jessie Lang, and I want to hear from you. Give us your comments, rate our videos, and join our community by subscribing to our channel.
Roadfly.com, the internet's best resource for buyers, sellers, and owners like you.